Imagine being able to attract someone special into your life effortlessly. Yes, it sounds like magic, but it's rooted in something real: your energy, focus, and the science of the law of attraction. What if I told you that most people miss a crucial element in this process, sabotaging their own chances of success? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to manifest a specific person into your life, but also learn lesser-known strategies that could change your approach entirely. Today, we'll uncover how your thoughts and emotions shape your reality, why self-love is the foundation of attraction, and how letting go of attachment can be the most powerful step you take. But here's the twist. There's one thing you're likely doing wrong right now that might be pushing your desired person further away. We'll reveal what that is and how to fix it. Stick with us till the end, because every step matters. By following this process, you're not just learning how to attract a specific person, you're aligning yourself with love, fulfillment, and happiness on a much deeper level. Welcome to Ignite Potential. If this topic inspires you to create your dream life, consider subscribing to our channel. We share actionable insights and powerful techniques to help you unlock your highest potential. Now, let's dive in and transform your reality. Let's start by exploring the power of clarity when setting your intentions. To attract a specific person into your life, you must know exactly what you want, not just on the surface, but in depth. It's easy to get caught up in thinking about appearances or superficial traits, but the real magic happens when you focus on the qualities that truly matter: kindness, shared values, and emotional connection. Take a moment to ask yourself, what am I truly looking for in this person? Write it down. Journaling or scripting can be incredibly effective here. Think of it as a way to communicate with the universe. When you script, imagine your ideal relationship as though it's already happening. Describe it in detail. How do you feel when you're with this person? What does your life together look like? By articulating these desires, you create a clear roadmap for what you want to attract. But here's a critical point. Don't focus on controlling how or when this person will enter your life. Instead, trust the process. Trying to micromanage every detail can create resistance. The universe works best when you allow space for things to unfold naturally. Focus on the essence of the relationship, not the external circumstances. Now let's move to a key foundation: self-love and confidence. Here's something many overlook: you can only attract the kind of love you feel you deserve. If you're doubting your worth or carrying insecurities, those vibrations will reflect in the people you attract. Start by nurturing yourself. What do you love about who you are? If that feels difficult, it's time to dig deep and find those qualities. Affirmations can be a powerful tool here. Say things like, "I am worthy of love," or "I attract relationships that bring me joy and fulfillment." Repeat them daily until they feel real. And don't stop there. Self-care is just as vital. Dedicate time each day to doing something that brings you joy, whether it's a hobby, exercise, or simply relaxing with a good book. When you prioritize your well-being, you send a message to the universe that you are ready to receive love. Here's where it all connects. You attract what matches your energy. If you want to draw in someone who is confident, caring, and aligned with your values, strive to embody those traits yourself. Think of it as becoming the magnet for the kind of love you seek. Next, visualization is your bridge between intention and manifestation. Close your eyes and imagine your life with this specific person. Don't just see it, feel it. Picture the moments you'll share, the joy of connection, and the harmony in your relationship. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's a way to align your emotional state with what you desire. Consistency is key. Set aside a few minutes each day to practice visualization. You might even pair it with meditation to deepen your focus. As you do this, allow yourself to feel gratitude as though the relationship is already part of your life. Gratitude amplifies positive energy, which in turn accelerates manifestation. In addition to visualization, let's explore specific manifestation techniques. Scripting is one of the most powerful. Write a letter to yourself as though it's from the future, describing your life with this person. Use vivid, emotional language to make it feel real. Meditation is another valuable tool. It helps you clear your mind, release doubts, and connect with the energy of what you want. Combine this with daily gratitude practices. Each night, reflect on the blessings you already have and express thanks for the love that is on its way to you. Gratitude is a magnetic force. It not only attracts more of what you want, but also keeps you aligned with positivity. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, let go of attachment. This step might seem counterintuitive, but it's essential. clinging to a specific outcome creates resistance, as it signals to the universe that you lack trust in its process. Instead, shift your focus to living fully in the present. Detachment doesn't mean giving up on your desire. It means releasing the need for it to happen in a certain way or at a certain time. Trust that the universe knows the best path to bring this person into your life. In the meantime, focus on becoming the best version of yourself and enjoying the journey. Let's keep going until we bring it all together. The law of attraction is a powerful tool for manifesting love into your life. By aligning your energy with your desires, you can open the door to incredible possibilities. Remember, patience is key. Trust the process and believe that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your intentions to life. Stay confident and know this: you are worthy of love, and it's already on its way to you. Keep believing in yourself, stay aligned with your desires, and watch as everything falls into place. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, Ignite Potential, for more content like this. We're here to help you unlock your fullest potential and create the life you deserve. Thanks for watching.